Babe, the food is ready now. Can I serve you and your friends now?
What do you cook?
Pepper soup now.
Jesus! Jesus! Hey!
What's up guys, it's OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy show. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please, this is a perfect opportunity to do that because believe me, I give the best. I always make sure I present the best of comedy. Something you're gonna watch and have a very good laugh. So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Like that, nigga.
That's why I love you. You're so gentle. Sorry.
Thank you.
Where did they want this one? Who will be this one?
Ha! Yes!
Babe, see those people that bullied you. I told you that Kama will catch up with them.
Now you go deal with them now.
Ended.
6!
We gotta they forgive.
This one is drip on drip. Hey, 6!
What is why you shout like a lunatic? What's the problem?
Correct about
Don't you notice anytime when you find this place, my eyes are always on you?
So?
I love you. I love you very much. In a senki, your love can enter inside my zuchia.
Because I don't have time for all this stuff you are doing.
Hold up. Hold up.
What's the meaning of this?
In case you don't know, now me then they call Nigerian baby, aka stubborn money boy, aka dollar money boy. This one na drip on drip. See ya. Richamili costs a Lambo.
Like you said before, I don't have time for all this drama that you are doing. Besides, I'm getting married next week. There's nothing I can do with people like you're so low.
Very good. Good. No problem. You said see your mouth they smell. See your smelling mouth. Hey go. You dey talk your mouth they smell. Whoa, ugly. Elbow over. Mumu. When I may be repressed.
Because say you know what you can't abuse them.
Nothing that go fire all this Lagos this. I know one girl
Because the person no want you. How can I say mad is smell?
I go carry better gear. Thank you, Jesus.
I don't carry senior man.
So nice.
Yeah, I get that a lot. I get that a lot. Yeah. So you're going to this front, are you?
Yes, I am.
Let's go.
Thank
Let
you.
me play music. What's the favorite song?
Jogodo.
What?
No, I say, what's your favorite song?
Yes, now, Jogodo. You don't know the song?
I know Jogodo.
Let me sing it for you.
Mama.
This is
want to do. What's your favorite song?
Yes, now.
Wow, that's good. So can I know more of you? What's your favorite food?
Beans and bread and horrible.
Your favorite food is beans and bread and all over.
Yes.
What's your hobby?
I like to watch Masquerade.
Go down.
You will not carry me.
No, don't worry. Go down.
What are you doing?
I'm going to my mother's house.
What will not happen to the kids?
You are going to your mother's house. I'm going to my mother's house. The 6 children will go to their mother's house.
I'm not going again, I'm sorry.
No, everybody will go to their mother.
Please don't forgive me, love. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Why you don't for your first?
Hey, babe. Can you get me fruits?
Dating in
Thank
2020.
you. Hey, babe. Please, can you massage my legs? Thank you.
Dating in
Babe,
2024.
I ordered hair. My transfer is not going. Can you make the transfer for me?
Okay, babe. I just sent you 200K.
Thank you.
Babe, I'm very hungry. Can you let me finish?
As what? Do I look like your maid or I look like your chef? Please, is it because I'm in your household? What have you done for me? Please,
What have you done for me? You didn't whine?
Hey!
Now don't carry this to the soup where they cause problem. Now don't carry
No,
them
I'm
again.
fine, no. People I said that place where you for the come everywhere still where.
My brother, not be smart, you know. This man, this one where your eye dey inside the plate. You want chop pepper soup?
Papa. Now which kind of question you dey ask? If not be say you be old man, if I quit me tear you back and slap. Huh? Why you go dey ask that kind of useless question?
whether I want chop pepper soup. Then they see who they go put sugar for him mouth. He go say he no go live. Papa, I want chop pepper soup.
No wahala.
They don't poison am.
This one, yeah.
They don't poison am.
Everything.
Everything. Chopper.
Like make I finish everything.
Chopper the meat, yeah.
Thank you, Papa. God bless you. Now this kind of Papa mean they find for area.
They don't poison am.
One go be my father. Oh no.
The chop, yeah.
I know they hungry, sir.
Papa, Papa, you go to that party they share pepper soup just now.
Now therefore they come.
How say you never shop your own?
No, my pikin never quick me chop am. Wetin happen?
As I talk to you like now people will shop the pepper soup 4 don't die, they rush 5 go hospital.
Oh, Jesus!
That pepper soup, so they see my ex-girlfriend na cook am. She put water pia inside.
Oh! My brother, you see I got to do things. Enemies give me pepper soup, make a chop and make a for pie. But my hair too strong. I jump and pass. Oh!
You go pass
and the pepper soup in the chop. This one pay me. When you reach heaven, you greet them for me, yeah? It never reach my turn.
Jesus.
Wow. My pepper soup, everybody now think they do skits now. Pepper soup. Please share this video.
Enough of all these nonsense arguments. You've been arguing here since yesterday. Are you not tired? Don't you have respect for me? If you can't do relationship, leave it alone. And you, our wife.
Hey! Hold it there. Our wife. Do not speak to me. Speak to your stupid friend.
Have you seen the human being you advised me to marry?
The human being? Have you seen yourself? You look like a sewer. That's what you look like.
Go upstairs, pack all your things, including this pepper soup you cooked. I'm not interested in it.
Pepper soup.
I should cook this one with the chop now.
You don't poison them. Voila. Oh, I don't put that pepper inside. This evening you will find another one again. Voila.
I'm not sure I go feed too. I say I be vegetarian.
Vegetarian cake.
We know they eat meat.
You they chop meat and are you?
Afa, bring water come.
Mumu never walk by. Everybody they run for
Babe,
soup
the food is ready now. Can I serve you and your friends now?
What do you cook?
Pepper soup now.
You know this? Everybody knows the pepper soup. Voila.
No, they tell me I don't know, guy.
Oh,
forget Sabi. You never make the right decision. I don't know the like. And I say Kamala, what's her name? She go win this election. Forget about Donald Trump.
The queen.
Good morning.
You they suppose, Donald Trump, they kill her.
Baba forget if they talk about smartness, if they talk about smartness, she was so smart. Yes, at least you want to legalize something. If the boy you maybe you put money for this thing. Maybe you put money for this thing, Mokusi will go win.
Sorry.
Baba, please shut up. Moku put money for this thing, Mokusi will go win.
I don't feel follow you, baby.
I'm not taking that from you. Excuse me. Why you gonna tell me to shut up? As you come in, I saw me say I come here. What's the name of that? 12 years just sitting here. IamDike, one person is going to win election. One person is going to win election. You cannot even put your money where your mouth is. You cannot put your money where your mouth is.
Your money where your mouth.
Talking like illiterate. They're not telling me pay. They're telling me I should not talk. Mr. Man, don't point at me there. Don't point at me there. As you come here for interview, that's how me too. I come here for interview. I'm not talking to you. You're shouting Kamala to win this. Donald Trump to win. He's not Kalama. He's not Kalama in notion. He's Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris. These guys are going to hide you. At least you go and put your money where your mouth is. If you go and bet it on bigger winner, at least you will win money. It's not the way you're arguing as someone that don't have sense. Arguing as someone that don't have brain. Maybe bet it on gigaring.io. Whether Kamala to win or Donald Trump to win, you are going to win your money. You can even bet other games on gigaring. You can bet casino, you can bet money, you can bet as much as possible. Yes,
I can put money there.
You can put your money there and you win.
Ojukwu, what's going on? What are you guys doing here? Are we not doing the interview again?
Your barrister Mike, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma, don't worry. Let me help you. Let me take over from this. Hey. Do you want this work? I mean, don't want this work.
Mr.
Yeah. Don't worry. So, yeah, barrister Mike, Abi. Yeah, perfect. This is your document. They say you have 3 years experience. Wow. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. We are doing well, Yes. I like everything. You see, let me tell you something. Ma, don't worry. You see this man? What I saw right now is not nice. Yes! Okay. On this document, don't worry. You see it. On this document now, they say that he has issue in his former company. I don't have issue. Like he stole their money. He has 3 years of betting experience. Will you just do want this one? Man, don't stress yourself. Don't worry. Let me.
You say me like go bet for
I know. You remember that you said we don't have sense. Let us use our sense here.
You use the company money to bet.
Use the company money. That's what you do. Man, you trust us or you don't trust us?
Of course I trust you.
Thank you very much, man. Don't stress yourself.
Madam want to talk to me.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me advise you. Come close. You see that giveaway that you know? Yeah, go and use it and make money.
Yes.
Jesus!
That one is
I know. See, leave this. Give me. Jesus. Leave this up. Madam, let me tell you. If you come and die, you know it's not have hair. If I use this thing, blow. Don't you give me. Get out of this place, Calm
down.
You did that. We don't have sense.
What?
Life is nothing without you. Hey,
there is something about you. Could it be love? Then I love you.
Life is nothing without you. There is something. Who goes to the man? You cannot look where you're going, Joe. It can be too heavy for you, You're just crossing the road. You're not looking where you're going. You're fine,
This
girl.
girl.
Princess. Now your papa built this road. If I bet, let's go.
This girl, she too dead.
That's how I die, you.
Sophie. What's going on here?
What's waiting? Guess what, serious now? Who you see? That your ass. Maybe you swear for what you say you no go ever see better thing for this life. So if you see him, you don't go from grace to grass. I be grass is grass. Short. So more they go make go.
This for fine boy, I know one shot, 2 shot.
Who you say don't go from grass to grace? Say don't go from grace to grass. But what I'm seeing here is from grass to grace.
Soso, let's have it. Come now.
Well done, so my long time.
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm fine, How you doing?
I'm alright.
What did you do for this area?
I am auntie just came here, so we're trying to get like a house help for my new place.
Well done. I know what I'm going to see,
Wait, hold up. Let me give you something, okay? See, you know what? Just take it with you.
Relax, Soso. Think about your Steve. Observe those boys now.
Steve.
You know, maybe I say this boy show you show again. And your ass, so. Don't form my heart now.
Steve. For where all this kind of money there?
What's going on here?
Man, Madam Morgan, I want anything else.
Yeah, I have some clothes that are dirty. I want you to help me take care of them. But then the white ones, take them to the laundry, okay?
Person for collect money.
Yes, ma'am. Wait,
Don't give up on love. I didn't give up. Gender fire, no. What punish love? Love, mama.
Person for collect money. Who you for collect money change your life?
Obatrekking, where you see this kind of food? You see what I tell you, make you pursue that Annabelle girl.
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
If you say you know pursue and I say that one go fit cook this kind of food, that one go carry nails like winch. For this food, I would like to touch am. I know what I talk. They serve me too. Ah, my guy, I don't even need food safe. Hello? You are downstairs, Ami? I'm coming. God have mercy upon us. That Annabelle, if you cook this one, that one we go the waka like person we know the shit. She go the form level. We
sure say no be the Annabelle.
Give me this one.
Ebi ti fẹ́ lu ayé wọn fọ́.
Annabelle. You can even call Obatrekking himself.
Na she cook am na mumu.
Hello? Obatrekking. And they chop now Annabelle come carry. I don't even know as she take enter the house. Wetin dey happen?
Now she dey feed me. You need to calm down.
Now she dey
feed me.
Me say na Annabelle dey feed you.
Beg her, make she give you food.
So the people
This guy get
Madam.
Yes, she dey talk recklessly.
I don't know say na you dey feed us.
Farouk. Aja.
I'm not going, sir.
You did not even ask where I'm going. You say you are not going. So
carry the gods.
So I should calm down.
Calm down, I'm not going.
Come on,
Those enter again.
So
God supposed fly or disappear now.
I will look for another one.
Sir. Let's go.
I'm not going again.
Sir, just enter. Let me be the first person to carry the gods.
If not that, I don't verse on a regular day. Let's go to the...
Excuse me, my name is Barnabas. I just
don't money that
but not everyone has Yes, sir.
This is my money.
No, sir. It's charity work we are doing, sir.
I insist.
No, sir. Our reward is in heaven, sir.
Mo dúpẹ́.
God, I take God name beg you. Can you imagine? If I won't carry passenger, no be this kind of passenger. Only at the job, bang.
What's going on here?
Barnabas.
My gen go to say the owner don't buy. I never buy you things hard. Country where you come for no down.
Who please? Thank God say you want on channel. My phone even 1%. I beg, do fast. I beg.
There's no see money on them. What's going on here? Which kind of nonsense is this?
Wait. Shabi, now you carry me for Yama just now.
Voila. You don't go carry home.
Now you be the ashawu. Now me be the ashawu. Don't touch me. Don't try it.
You can't see oil for her.
Oh, see, you be gentle. It's soft. It's soft now. See.
This guy don't get
you got everything under control. Just make use of this. It's soft already. Just feel it.
Which kind of nonsense with this?
Now what to make you say make I break the dough be this, abi?
See, you just use it a little bit.
Bros.
This kind of vibe. Just feel it.
How you want it there?
You say?
How you want it there?
I want it there.
Why are you gay?
Why are you gay? Which kind of nonsense you want to do that? Meco, what's happening again?
What be this? Jesus. Blood of...
This guy no get sense. Meco, you no get sense for once, no need.
Hey! Yo, ma, what is it? are you like this now? Talk to me. Why is your bones on the ground? What is happening?
Auntie! Auntie, don't go! Auntie, don't go! Auntie, don't go!
Oh yeah, what is it? Talk to me. Talk to me.
Auntie, I will talk. Auntie, this business is not my business. It's my auntie business. My auntie came to the village to come and carry me from my parents. He told them that he's going to put me in seminary school. He carry me to this place now and give me boss. I should be selling boss. I should be working boss. Now the boss are falling on the floor. The boss are falling on the floor. If I reach out, my auntie go deal with me. My auntie no go give me food.
It's okay. Sorry, such a young, vibrant youth. How much is it?
My baby dey on 3,000 naira.
Is that why you're crying?
It's my auntie, it's my auntie. Auntie, you're going to ask 500 though. Flood that money.
For help, I won't help you. You still get choice. Are you so ungrateful? Take here is 3,000 naira. You just package this thing, stand up and go to your house, okay?
Thank you, God bless you. My God will reward you. My God will reward you. Meco don't come.
You don't know where you are going.
This Meco no fit get sense again for this life.
This boy don't throw a market to. Oh, what's happened?
Oh, bros, many things happen for my life. I don't go to explain.
Why your boss take grand now?
Life has not been fair with me, bros. Bros.
Calm down.
This market is not be my market. It's my auntie market. I know how my auntie toiled to get flour to fry these buns. And carry these buns, give me, they might go sell out. As I walk out, they come before you know, free bun. I want to get the bun don't fall. Slow now they call.
Oh yeah, calm down. How much on day here?
Waiting day and 4,000.
4,000 naira?
Yes.
I never sell anyone?
I don't sell.
So how much you don't sell?
I don't sell 4,000. I was supposed to give my auntie 8,000 naira. 4,000 naira will come for grand. I always complete the money.
Sorry, yeah. Child. Oh yeah, give me the 4,000 way you don't sell.
Bros, which can be I should give you the 4,000 I don't sell?
I know they quarrel you now.
No, we are not quarreling now.
Why can't they do like say they shout for you now? Just give me the 4,000 first.
Man, give you 4,000 naira. Are you my auntie? Now you send me my account hawk. Now you supposed to give me money, me supposed to give you money. I better get out from this place, I beg.
Come, you gonna do fast now. No get time here now.
Bros, which one do you want, bros?
No one talk too much, I beg.
Bros, it's not my own, it's my auntie money.
Hey, calm down. Where they go now?
I'm going home. I don't close work.
Work never close now. Now I want start work. Come. No they fear, no shake. But calm down. This way. So, you see this way they do now, eh? Yeah. We'll go front, we'll go do another one.
Hold on! You don't know where you are going. Hey, Jesus Christ.
They don't open office for your head. Once you don't get sense.
Shout away.
Come, young man. What's the problem?
My boss don't for grand. Bros, after they waka, they come. I don't know this place, they sloppy. That's why I just walk and find no free door. The boss just for grand. For this economy, bonds they for grand. Now we flood on the coast. Bonds don't for grand.
You are thick now, eh?
Yes.
Stop crying, no.
Yes.
Sorry, eh?
Yes.
Child, sorry.
Come, how much you give you?
Now 4,000 naira I give you.
I bring her come. Go back there.
Bros, I beg, I don't close.
Don't close it. I'll close your mouth, eh? Come on, go there, sit there, my friend.
My voice is cracking.
You go there, my friend.
Mumu, Shebi, now you want to deceive people now. You go chop your eye, Mumu.
Yeah!
Come, this boy, what did you do there?
Okay, my bones don't fall.
Your bones fall?
Yes.
Now you come to a very lonely place.
Yes.
Here no good at all. Take.
Yeah.
They come out for you. They will call do something.
Come on, sit down there, my friend. How much you give you there?
Now 3,000.
3,000. Bring her.
But I know you do again.
Come on, go there, my friend.
This world can be something else.
You are a criminal.
Mama say you know they do again. Hey God, no, this Meco no get sense. Hey, this Meco na mumu, you don't get sense at all. So it's Sabinus. Hey God, no. Hey man, these guys are creativity. Like I really love the way they work. I'm telling you, like someone would just sit down and think of something totally different from the norm. I really like his work. I love his work. Guys, thank you very much for sticking to the very end. I really appreciate it. I believe you liked it. You can as well check out my other videos. There's so many videos just like this one on my channel, so check them out. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, believe me guys, you are missing out. Make sure to subscribe and you turn on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. So see you in the next one guys. Peace and love.